Quite the stormy day today, with Gordon forming practically on top of us and now moving quickly to the west-northwest. So our weather gradually improving this afternoon. Still the threat of a few thunderstorms lining up and moving over very, very moist grounds. And you can see, though, right now quiet in Broward, quiet in Miami-Dade, a few sprinkles, and it's mostly quiet to our southeast, but we'll keep our eyes over there for more activity to develop. In terms of the Keys, looking good right now, mostly quiet, a few thunderstorms to the south. Those as well are going to be racing to the north. Here's our Windjam Resort camera this afternoon. Got some sea spray on the lens there, giving a little bit of a hazy appearance to it, but you can see the waves breaking under that strong easterly flow. 78 in Miami, 80 Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood, 85 in Key West, 8 on the stickiness scale. Humidity way up there, east-southeast breeze now only 10, but earlier 41 was the gust, and 2.5 inches of rain coming in at MIA. Here's the latest advisory as of 5 o'clock. Winds 50 miles an hour, moving fairly quickly west-northwest at 17, so it's not going to take much time for the center of Gordon to move on to the northwest and reach the northern Gulf Coast. In fact, by tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, and early tomorrow night, the storm forecast to become a Category 1 hurricane and then make landfall there. It's a relatively small circulation. It doesn't have a lot of time to expand, so I think the impacts are not going to cover a huge area, but that being said, a storm surge warning is in effect for parts of the coast there. This is going to be a big rainmaker for parts of the south, and our warnings have been discontinued here. The tropical storm warnings for Miami-Dade and parts of the Keys, which is still in effect for the Naples area. Now tropical storm warnings as well as hurricane warnings for the northern Gulf Coast there, as that's the area where landfall should occur tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, or maybe even early tomorrow night. In terms of our rainfall, it was rather significant in some spots. Here's Dave Warren with more on that.
Yeah, heaviest rain was to the south there around Homestead. There was a flood advisory in effect, seeing a few breaks from those showers right now, but more rain could be expected here, so the flood watch will remain in effect. Estimated rainfall here from the radar. Look at what happens here this morning. The yellows, oranges, even a few reds. That's close to 4 to 5 inches of rain. A lot of this came down in a short period of time. Homestead had 1.4 inches of rain in just about 1 hour. And then from 2 to 3 o'clock, we still had some additional rain. But for the most part, that's where we saw things start to improve just a bit. As far as the official amounts coming in, Homestead close to 6 inches of rain, West Kendall 4.5. So all this rain coming down led to some flooding, and likely we could see some flooding continuing here. One thing you want to watch here is that sun goes down, and you watch out for flooded roadways. The neighborhood network sites, 2 to 3, 4, 5 inches of rain here. This is all in Miami-Dade there. To the north in Broward County, had wind gusts close to 50 miles an hour with slightly less rain amounts. Overall, that rain came down this morning. This is our camera here at the Frost Museum of Science, but you see it starting to improve just a bit. Trying to even see a few breaks in the clouds, but we are continuing to see a flood watch in effect. That is still into effect through Monday evening because we are expecting a few more showers to develop off the coast, and that could add additional to rainfall amounts to what has already come down. Nothing like we've seen this morning. The heaviest rain could actually be up towards Broward County, but between about now and 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, rain amounts may be up to about a ½ inch on top of what's already down in Miami-Dade, and up to 1 inch there to the north. So that flood watch will remain in effect because this, on top of what's already came down, could lead to some more flooding. Craig?
That's not the only thing in the tropics that we're watching. Gordon moving away from us, but farther to the east we have Tropical Storm Florence. That's the system out here. Future track on that is to the west-northwest. It does not look like it will impact South Florida, but there's another wave coming off with slow development possible and the tropics becoming active. Here's our forecast then for tonight. Some gusty storms are moving in, especially later on this evening. A few downpours, a low near 77 tomorrow. Sun at times and passing storms. Could be some heavy downpours, but the winds should be down tomorrow on the water, averaging east at 15, seas running 3 to 5 feet. Rest of the week, it's a return to summer, but still kind of stormy from time to time. More on that forecast coming up.